Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, John. Oh, your hair, it looks different today.
Yes, I got a haircut yesterday. Do you like it?
It is very short on one side.
What? Really?
Yes, and the other side is longer. Look in your phone camera.
Oh no, you are right. This is bad. Very bad.
Don't worry, it is not that bad.
Mary, one side is much shorter than the other. It is bad.
Okay, yes, it is a little bad.
I have a big meeting with the client today at 2 o'clock.
Oh, that is a problem.
What do I do? I cannot go to the meeting like this.
Do you have a hat?
A hat? In the office? That is not professional, Mary.
You are right. Sorry. What about hair gel? You can fix it a little.
I don't have hair gel here.
I have some in my bag. Wait.
You have hair gel in your bag?
I have everything in my bag, John.
Okay, thank you. Let me try.
Put a little here and push this side down. Yes, better.
Really? Is it okay now?
It looks much better. Not perfect, but professional.
I can go to the meeting?
Yes, and after the meeting, go back to the salon.
Yes, I will talk to the barber.
Tell him, one side shorter, please, but only one time.
Ha, very funny, Mary.
Good luck with the client, John.
Thank you, and thank you for the hair gel.
No problem. Next time, check your hair before you leave the salon.
Lesson learned.